All right, here's an update on the H2OASIS. Looks like it's almost complete. They got the lion in place that was initially in the field down the road. We got a cool parrot. They've done a lot of painting since the last time we were here. So they look like they're almost complete. Looks like they're putting the final touches on certain things. What's up, everybody? We're down here in Myrtle Beach at the new H2OASIS water park at the landmark to check out the status. Somebody said that they thought it was open, but we're gonna find out. If you love things around Myrtle Beach or the beach itself, make sure you like and subscribe so you can keep up with what's going on. You got your little squirt guns right here. Let's see if I can get in on them. So you can shoot people when they're coming out the slide, I'm assuming. So right down there, I took a shot of that earlier. That's the field that all the equipment was being stored in, and it's all gone. So now all they have to do is finishing touches, add water, and add people. So to make sure you know where we are, here's the landmark. Right here on Ocean Boulevard. There's your overpass. It goes all the way to the parking garage. And there's your 3 main slides right there. Let's go see if we can get a bird's eye view. This is the basic level shot, so this is how high it actually is from the ground. All right, so we're at the very top here, the 8th level of the parking garage. To see the new H2OASIS. Here's your landmark. Not too sunny today, but there are lots of people out on the beach parasailing and doing other activities. Here's a good overview. Let's look out on the other side here, Myrtle Beach, just to give you a glimpse of the skyline. We hope you like this update of the H2OASIS here in Myrtle Beach. Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with what's going on around the beach, so you can keep beaching.